This is a project where I'm printing a lot of big numbers, and as you can see, this is before applying this technique and this is after applying this technique. And maybe you don't believe it, but all of this can be done using only one line of code. So this is a simple example, and I want to print this number using commas as thousands separators. So in order to do so, I simply type print, and I want to use a f string. Basically, it means that I want to format what I'm going to print. So I simply type my number is, and I open a curly bracket and I close the curly bracket. And I put a colon, and before the colon, I should say what I want to print. So I want to print X. And after the colon, I should specify the format. So in this case, I want to print this number using commas as 1,000 separators. So that's very easy. I can put a comma. So if I run the code, you can see here's the output. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and I really suggest you to watch this video, which is on the screen now.